Alright guys, well this is what happens when you walk through the Lion's Den, also known as Marketplace. Little piece of history made its way into the Creative Metals Workshop once again. An old Buffalo number 15 benchtop drill press. This thing is solid cast iron. Look at them wood handles. When's the last time you've seen that? There is literally not one piece of plastic on this machine. Nothing. Cast iron and them 3 wood handles. All the cast iron's really good shape. You can tell it's been sitting a while, like everything that comes into this shop. Kind of got some cool features. My original plan was probably just to clean this thing up, but I think to clean it up really nice, I'm going to have to take it all apart. And if I'm going to go that far, I'm probably going to repaint it. Just a quick run of this number here. From what I gathered, just from a quick check, it looks like this thing was from the World War II era, somewhere in there. Motor runs, everything spins nice and free. I think we're going to tear it all down, clean up all the shiny stuff, make it nice and sparkly. Give her some new paint and bring a little more life back into this thing. The clock spring's actually still functional. Crazy how this stuff holds up. Let me know what you guys think. This will be the next project up. You know, sometimes I just look at things and ask myself, why? Is this really the best we could do at the time? That's okay. We'll get it fixed up. She'll be like new.